teachers, and this time in this vlog I'm gonna make a video of me being a fangirl. So as a fangirl, and today it's March 21st, and earlier this afternoon I went with my friend to a place here in Taipei where we bought some BTS merchandise, and one of the merchandise that I bought I'm gonna make an unboxing video, and I'm gonna show it to you guys first. I bought this. This one I bought two, one for myself and one for my sister, my younger sister in the Philippines. I'm gonna send it back to her, and the other one we're gonna unbox it because it's mine. And I also bought this. I think this is a photo card, and yeah, it seems to be a photo card inside. And you can see here there's like the Arirang code, or the Arirang new album logo, and they wrote there Arirang. And as an ARMY, I must give you guys a glimpse of what are inside. Let's see. Now let me, oh my god, personally I don't want to open it yet. I feel like I should not open it. I can't. Should I open? No. Open no. Okay, let's start with the smaller one first. Actually, I don't want to ruin it. Wait, hold on a second. I need to get a cutter. I don't want to ruin it. Give me a minute.
6.5 hours later.
Ta-da! Sharpie. So scary. But let's open it. Let's open it.
12 seconds later.
Here it is. Oh my god. Oh shit. Okay. Oh, by the way, I bought this from Monstar. Yes, type in Monstar. And this is what you're gonna see. Actually, they're pretty cheap, you know. Oh, I thought it was a sticker in the thing, but actually it's not. It's the whole paper itself. Yeah, it's the whole paper itself. Okay. And here you can see the logo and big hit logo. Oh my god. BTS fifth. I don't know. Maybe because I'm using my front camera, so I'm just gonna edit it later. It's the BTS fifth album Arirang. It's, oh my god. Oh, I don't want to ruin it. Oh, I don't want to ruin it. I know I'm too much. Am I overreacting? I don't care. Okay. I feel like I don't want to ruin the whole paper, so I just take out what is inside. I want to keep the paper intact because one thing, I want to give some of the cards to my younger sister, so I'm going to send it back to her like this. And this is what I got inside. First, they have like a QR code. Oh, it's like a QR code for all the tracks. Their music track. Number 1, Body to Body, Hooligan, Aliens. I'm going to put it here. FYA 2.0, number 29, Swim, Merry-Go-Round, Normal, Like Animals, they don't know about us. One More Night, Please, Into the Sun. My favorite actually here is Swim. I know. I think it's very easy to guess because it really explains my feeling now that they're back. I'm back to being a fangirl. And here, ooh, I need to download an app and then log into it and then scan this QR code. Oh, so this is the steps. Oh, I'm sorry, but I cannot show this one then. The QR code I cannot show. Yeah, but it is very, very cool. Yeah. Oh my god. And boom, boom, boom. My first husband. Everybody's lovey-dovey. Oh my god. RM. And it has the Arirang logo. The new logo. The album logo. Oh my gosh. I've got Jin. And my sugar. My J-Hope. My hope. Oh. Jimin. Jimin is hot. Taeyong. Of course. Jungkook. Oh, their group photo. Let's count. So make sure it's 7. 4, 7. The 7 kings of my heart. Okay, so my younger sister said she really likes, I know she really likes V. So for sure, I'm going to give this one to her. I mean, I'm a fan of V, but I'm going to listen to my sister. I'm going to give it to her. She's so in love with this dude. I mean, I like V also. But I'm going to keep some of my baby loves. And I'm going to pick some. I'm going to let her choose also. Okay. I think I know what to give her. But definitely number one on her list is V. So I'm gonna give it to her. V's photo card. And now I'm gonna put it back in, and I'm gonna try and figure out how to see it back again later, maybe with a tape, and give it to my sister. Okay, not all of it. Oh my gosh, I think it's gonna be the same, but let me pick which one. I think they're all. Okay, I'm gonna take this one. They're both okay, but yeah, I'm gonna take this one first, and this one is for my sister. Ouch, my face. This is for my sister. So I'm gonna keep it for her on the side, and I can actually just put it as a background. Ta-da! Ah, yeah. And oh my god, should I open it? Oh my gosh, I'm really excited to the point I'm not going to myself. Ow! Oh my god, I almost stabbed myself. Okay, now we will open it. Oh, before that, ASMR. ASMR. Let's go. Oh my gosh, I'm really doing it. Careful. Oh my god, don't break anything. You can hear it, right? And I don't know, is it just me, or am I too careful with it? I don't want to ruin the cover. Am I too much? Don't want to ruin it. Oh my god. It says here, Living Legend, and of course the Bigot logo and stuff. And this, so cool. If you look at it actually, oh yeah, oh yes, it is still, oh, it's still the same logo, the Arirang logo, this one. If you look at it carefully, the circle one is here, full circle, and then the second one with 2 lines, 1 and 2. Oh no, not 2, 3 lines, yeah, 2 lines. Because this one is a whole thing, and there's 1 and 2, and then the last one with 1 dot here. Wow, so cool. It's so amazing. So amazing. The details, oh my god. So you have the logo here, details here, and of course, done. Done. BTS, oh my god. Oh my gosh, now it's time to open it. Oh, I'm gonna show you. Careful. Hear that? Dun. The first thing you're gonna see is they list their 14 songs in their album. In this one, I think it means Arirang, but I cannot read Korean, but hopefully it does. And let's see. Oh my gosh, it says Arirang. Oh my god. And then, oh, they have messages. RM's message, Jin's message. Oh my god. And wait, one at a time. I don't want to ruin it. Oh my god. Sugar, J-Hope's message, Jimin, V, and Jungkook's message. Oh my gosh. We got their messages, my baby's messages. Oh, they're all in Korean, so I'm gonna translate it later on. Now let's get away the big box first. Close it nicely, don't want to ruin it. And dun. Oh wow, it's like a very big poster, I guess. And it has the Arirang logo, or the album logo. And it says Living Legends. Oh my gosh, the details. They're really into details. Like, look here, there's like BTS, and the logo keep on repeating. Like, it's wow. And RM, the names of the members. Oh my god. And it's okay. And it's sealed in this garter type thing. I'm gonna not pull it too hard. I don't want it to be too stretchy. Yeah, let's see. Okay. First, I got this black envelope where their CD is. Oh my god, don't want to ruin that. Okay, their CD is inside, and it's a CD of their song with the lyrics. Oh my gosh, with the lyrics of each song. Okay, I'm gonna go through the lyrics here. Like, it shows you the lyrics of the song, the 14 albums. Oh my god, and the CD itself. Let's be careful. CD itself. Look at that logo. Look at that details. Oh my god, worth it. And then you put this back in there. Oh my gosh, and the texture of this black paper. Oh wow, amazing. And of course, really, their tattoos. Their tattoos. Okay, let's open. Let's open it. Oh wait, before we open this, I don't want to open it yet. We look at this awesome hot posters. Wait. Oh my god, all of them. And with the details again at the back, of course. And here, all of them in the cover. And the back cover shows, of course, big hit. Big hit. And oh my god, their group photo. My arm, the smartest leader. The smartest leader, nicest leader. My RM, okay. And of course, the nicest eldest brother, Jin. And my sugar, Augusty. My sugar. Wait, let's be careful. Oh my gosh, every page has written Arirang and their signature. Oh my gosh. And their birthday. Oh, their details, their IDs. It looks like their IDs, something like that. Wow. And here, J-Hope, my hope. Oh my gosh, this book is a little bit thick. And Jimin, of course. A big Jimin. Oh my god, they're all my babies, V, look at that. Oh gosh. I'm sorry, I'm gonna be a fangirl too much. Leaving no crumbs at all. My Jungkook. Left no crumbs. I know, I'm just gonna go through this quick because I'm gonna look at them later. I miss fantasize and dream of them. Look at that. The group photo again. Okay, and another group photo. Oh wow. Oh, and another different angle. Okay. Oh wow. Actually, everything have different color. Wait, before we proceed, like I'm gonna start with. It all started like this, and then it will be their IDs, and then it changed into this, and then this. Oh wow, very creative. I salute the one who made this. Okay, and then here we go. Another baby. I'm actually arranging them as per page. So it's organized later. Miss Sugar. Miss Sugar. Oh, of course. I hope. Me being delusional and crazy. Jimin, Jimin. Oh my god, it smells so nice. And Taeyong. Oh wow, Taeyong's muscles. He's really flexing it. He's really flexing it. Okay. And then, wait. Our Jungkook. Those tattoos. Oh my god, it's so hot. His piercings. I know. Calm down. And then in suits. Oh. RM. Jin. Oh wow. Oh wait. There's some more details. Bigger one at the back. Ooh. Bigger selfie of them in their suits. Okay. Oh my god, I'm gonna look at those later. Sorry, I'm just gonna pass through them quickly, but I'm gonna really love looking at them later. Yum, good for my tummy. And the group picture, of course, the one that you can see on the very first cover of the page. And BTS. So here, the smaller version and the bigger version. We're gonna put it back. Wait, before we put it back together, let's absorb first that. I mean, those tattoos. Those tattoos are. Okay. Because my friend is already asking me to respect and put this away nicely without making too much noise, like screaming. But literally, my heart is screaming right now. Okay, I'm just gonna fast forward this part. Because I don't wanna keep them like this. I want them to be organized. Whenever I miss them, I'm gonna. Come on. Get the way how they look at you. It's so nice. I think I'm so lucky that I have a job now because I can buy this crazy stuff. It's time for me to be a crazy fangirl that I've been holding. I've been controlling this for a long time. This urge to buy their merch. Okay, I finished organizing it. Now let's see this. I think this is a way bigger poster. Oh yes, it is. Oh my gosh, it's the poster. It's the big poster. Would you look at that? That's so perfect. Okay, I'm gonna wait until they make this fan sign thing, and I'm gonna definitely go. I don't care. I'm gonna definitely go. Okay, I organize it nicely again. Now it's time to check this out. Dun. Very detailed, the drawing. Oh my gosh. Now let's see. First things first. Okay, here it's this one. The Arirang. Oh wow, it's the logo of their it's a sticker. Sticker of their tattoos. Sticker. These are stickers. And this one is also stickers. But I don't know. I'm the type of fan that I don't really want to use things and stick anywhere. I would rather keep them. So these are the stickers. I got stickers there. And I see this one. Holy guacamole. I've seen this from another girl. They actually cut it out, like this one, they peel it and cut it out. But I don't want to do that. I know this is like a photo card that you make, but no, I know it's like starting to fall off. It's very sensitive, like you push it a little bit and it will fall off. But I don't want to do that. I want to keep it as a whole thing, a whole photo of them. Okay, let's go through it. Got Jungkook, RM. Oh wait, we got Jin, and then we got Suga, we got Taehyung, Jimin, Taeyong or Fee. Oh, careful, don't want to take it out. Don't want to take it out. Okay, and at the back you will see here, like check marks of which one have you collected. But I got all 7. So I don't care. I got all 7. I don't care. I'm gonna keep it. And it's not done yet. You still? Because I don't want to peel that one off. I don't want to take this one off. This one. I don't want to flip it out and take it out. Because I know for sure they will give me this. Oh my god. I am looking at me like this right away. I melted. So this is the photo card with their signature at the back and the album logo. We got this RM. We got Jin again. And we got, of course, they're complete. Taeyong. Jimin. Jungkook, Sugar, Taehyung. Oh my god, my heart melts. Okay, so I got these photo cards. These are actually photo cards too. Stickers, and to wrap it up, and we got some posters. I think 3 or 4 group posters, and then some of the individual photos, and the CD with their song lyrics, and this very fancy envelope. So yes, I think that's all. And this rubber band, I want to seal it back. I don't want it to get broken or anything. I love it too much. I don't want it to get ruined. Okay, so I've got so many photo cards. Actually, for photo cards, I can keep them out. Like, I mean, these ones, the ones that I got right here, I'm gonna take them out. I'm gonna keep them outside. But these ones, come on. When I was in college, this cards, I can buy it, like the paper one, not this kind, like not this very pretty ones, cheap. And then I'll put it behind my ID card, my school ID card. Yeah, I'm that kind of fangirl. Now this one has their signature and stuff, so I don't want to take it out. I'm gonna keep it and take it out only when I'm really sad and I need my babies to make me happy. They are gonna be my motivation to work harder. Oh yeah, by the way, the paper is very, very fragile. It broke right away. This is why I don't really. I hate myself right now. I just said I'm gonna be careful with it, but I broke. I know it's just a little bit, but I hate myself. But why? When? Go away. Stupid, stupid. Okay, let's just be careful in putting it back in. Self. Don't be dumb again. Okay, there. Make sure you put it all in. Don't ruin anything. Okay, I fixed it. Put it back in perfectly as is. And this one. This one I need to seal it with a rubber band thingy. Right. I need to make sure the CD is safe inside. Okay, keep it inside and safe. Okay, I'll just put it back in here. I worry my clumsy hand might ruin it. So I'm gonna put it back here. With all the posters. Like this. Okay. Okay. I kept it inside with all the posters and sealed back. Okay. I like this rubber band. You can keep everything sealed. And then putting them back to the box. Okay, sealed, fold, and sealed. And I'm gonna have awesome sleep. Okay, that's it for now. I'm gonna look at my photo cards more and stare at my husband's more. So that's kidding. I'm gonna absorb everything today. I mean, March 21. Oh my god, everything is too much emotion for me as a fan. I'm this emotions overload. I'm too crazy. Me and my friend, I was jumping around. My sister, when I show her this, she's very, very happy, and she even posted it right away. Now, for this one, I'm gonna try and figure out how to send it to her. And this one also, that's what happened. Thank you. And I'm gonna keep you posted on like, any updates that I'm gonna have. Maybe because right now, me and my friend, we are planning on going on a trip because here in Taiwan, the concert, the world tour is gonna be in Kaohsiung, and I've heard there's like so many people already book hotels, and it's gonna be crowded and stuff. So I hope because the tickets are not yet out here, so I really hope I can get the chance to purchase one of those tickets. I hope me and my friends are like we're praying to get this ticket. Oh my god, this is gonna be my first concert my whole life, like the actual concert. I mean, I do go to local concerts in the country, but not the actual concert where like a lot of crowd. Not like this one. No, not like this. Where right now my heart beats so fast. Okay, I've never been to any concerts like those, and I've also never done anything this crazy to watch a concert. So I hope I will be able to grab that ticket and get that ticket. And of course, we're hoping to get the VIP one. Everybody hopes to get the VIP one, most of us, right? So we're hoping to get the VIP tickets. And yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a heads up, an update in the future, probably around November. See you, and armies, I'm gonna see you on the concert. Let's go and say hi to each other if you meet, if you know me, and let's greet each other. My co-army fans, and thank you. Oh, by the way, I know there's like good armies, and yeah, just be friendly. And I mean, I'm doing this vlog just to share to you guys what is inside this box that I'm really happy about. This is my first merchandise ever that I bought, so I'm just gonna share that with you. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you next time. Bye bye.